Have you ever wondered why we have an organ in our bodies that seems to serve no purpose at all? Well, it's time to pull back the curtain on the enigmatic entity in our guts known as the appendix. This peculiar organ, a small pouch hanging off our large intestine like an afterthought in our body's design, has baffled scientists and doctors for centuries. Yet it's as much a part of us as our heart or brain, nestled in the lower right quadrant of our abdomen. Over the years, the appendix has earned a rather notorious reputation, often seen as a ticking time bomb due to its potential to cause appendicitis. But is it really just a vestigial organ, a leftover from our evolutionary past with no current function? Or does it still harbor some hidden purpose that's yet to be fully unveiled? So why do we have this seemingly useless organ? Let's dive into the fascinating world of the human appendix. Humans have puzzled over the function of the appendix for centuries. This tiny, finger-shaped pouch that protrudes from our colon has been a source of fascination, intrigue, and sometimes intense pain. For a long time, it was dismissed as a redundant organ, a vestigial leftover from our evolutionary past. Theories about the appendix have been as varied as they have been numerous. In the early 1800s, it was thought to be a sort of spare part, a backup for other parts of the body that might fail. Later, it was believed to be a repository for good bacteria, a sort of microbial Noah's Ark, ready to repopulate the gut after illness or antibiotic treatment. However, as medical science advanced, so too did our understanding of this enigmatic organ. We began to see patterns in the occurrence of diseases associated with the appendix, such as appendicitis. This painful inflammation of the appendix, if left untreated, can result in a life-threatening situation. Appendicitis was found to be less common in populations with a high-fiber diet, leading to the theory that the appendix might play a role in the digestion of cellulose, a complex carbohydrate found in plants. This theory, however, didn't hold much water, as humans lack the necessary enzymes to break down cellulose. Another theory suggested that the appendix might play a role in the immune system, particularly during the early years of life. Recent research has shown that the appendix is rich in lymphoid tissue, which plays a key role in the immune response, supporting this theory. So, it seems our understanding of the appendix has evolved from considering it a useless organ to recognizing its potential significance in our body's complex ecosystem. This little organ, once thought to be a mere evolutionary hangover, might just be more important than we ever imagined. So it turns out that the appendix isn't as useless as we once thought. But what exactly does it do? Recent research has shed light on the true purpose of the appendix. For years, this small organ, tucked away at the junction of the small and large intestines, was regarded as a relic of our evolutionary past. Early medical theories labeled it as a vestigial organ, suggesting that it had no function in the modern human body. However, science is an ever-evolving field, and with new discoveries come new perspectives. Recent studies have turned the tables on these early assumptions, unveiling the appendix as a silent hero in our bodies. Sitting quietly in the lower right abdomen, the appendix is now believed to play a crucial role in our immune system and gut health. Let's delve a little deeper. The appendix is believed to act as a safe house for beneficial bacteria, the kind that aids in digestion and fights off harmful pathogens. When illness or antibiotics wipe out the good bacteria in the gut, the appendix can repopulate the gut with its stored beneficial bacteria, helping to restore balance and promote overall gut health. But what about the immune system, you ask? Well, the walls of the appendix are rich in lymphatic tissue. This tissue produces white blood cells and antibodies that fight off infections, bolstering our body's immune response. In essence, the appendix is a small but mighty fortress, armed with an army of white blood cells, ready to defend our bodies against harmful invaders. As for its potential evolutionary purpose, the appendix may have served as a specialized organ in our ancestors, aiding in the digestion of a plant-heavy diet. Although our diets have evolved over time, the appendix still stands its ground, adapting to serve new functions in our bodies. So the next time someone tells you that the appendix is useless, you can tell them about the important role it plays in our bodies. It's a testament to the fact that there's always more to learn, more to discover, and more to appreciate about the incredible machinery that is the human body.